Welcome to the Omni CMS video tutorial on form elements. When working inside a form asset, there are two ways elements can be added to the form. Either click on the plus icon next to the form element you would like to add, or click and drag the desired element within the Elements panel. Elements can be reordered by hovering over the up-down arrows, and once the four-sided arrow is viewable, the item can be rearranged by clicking and dragging. Each element has several fields. The name field will automatically populate based on the label and determines the reference value. The helper text allows you to provide a description for the user to understand the field. This displays underneath the input. Default text will add the text as a default value of the input. Checking the box next to required will make the element a required field. There are also three validation types. These are additional standards that the input must meet to be submitted. Select from email, minimum length, or regular expression. The failure message will display if a field is required, but is not completed, or if it does not meet validation. If added to a form, a multi-line text field element provides users with a larger text input. It is similar to the single-line text field, except the input field can hold more than one sentence or phrase. Radio buttons allow users to create a form element with multiple options, of which only one can be selected. Click the Add button to create options. Drag and drop the options to reorder them. Check the radio button of an option to make it selected by default. Checkboxes also display a list of options to select from. However, multiple can be selected. Multiple default options can also be selected. Drop-down form elements provide users the ability to select an item from a list of predefined choices using a drop-down style menu. Use these when you have several options. These can also be pre-populated with a data set such as US states, countries, and more. See the Advanced Forms option section of the example site for more information. The multi-select form element has the ability to select multiple items using the keyboard shortcut, Control-click on your PC and Command-click on your Mac. The Date/Time Picker provides users the ability to select from a calendar-style dropdown. Use the Format dropdown to select from a date picker, a time picker, or date and time picker. A default date/time can also be set. The instructional text element provides a small WYSIWYG editor that allows you to enter instructions to be displayed in between form elements. An example of each form element can be viewed on the example site. There are also additional form settings and advanced options available. Once you've created your form elements, make sure to save and publish. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or visit wku.edu/its/contact. For examples, best practices, and other helpful information, visit wku.edu/omni-CMS.